Hey coaches, on this video, I want to share with you how to be able to make more money in less time using your coaching. And it's a very simple principle, but as soon as you start thinking about it in this way, it's going to revolutionize the way you do coaching. And let me jump straight to it. I want you to stop thinking about doing coaching sessions. I want you to start thinking about running coaching programs. So I want you to stop thinking about coaching sessions and I want you to start thinking about coaching programs. I'll give you an example. Let's say I want to change 100 lives. And if I'm doing coaching sessions, that would mean 100 plus sessions. If I'm doing 3 sessions with everybody, that means that now I've got to do 300 sessions. If each of those is an hour, I've got to do 300 hours. Not to mention all the time, energy, and effort it takes to get those people on board and sell them into the program in the first place. It's a lot of work. Now, don't get me wrong, there's nothing more powerful as a coach than being able to create that transformation for somebody. And obviously, one-on-one coaching is tremendously powerful. But it's only going to get you so far because eventually you're going to run out of time. And if you run out of time, you run out of the ability to make money unless you start hiring other people. And that's probably, for most of you, not a journey you want to go down. So what we've got to do is shift from instead of doing coaching sessions to doing coaching programs. Instead of doing 3 sessions with one client, you might do 6 sessions with all 10 clients. And I might run 10 groups, or I might run one group for 100 people. And I do those same 3 sessions, and now I'm facilitating at scale. Now, instead of it all being about me connecting with a client one-on-one, well, now I've got webinars that do that, and I've got online downloads, and I've got PDFs, and I've got guides, and I've got all sorts of different things that you can put in place to facilitate the journey. And then what you start to do, by the way, is you leverage your intellectual property, you leverage your methodology, not your time. Because at the end of the day, people don't care how they get there, they just want to get the result. And so if you can facilitate that in a program, and by the way, it's a very different skill set to doing a coaching session to running a coaching program. It requires you to level up your experience, your ability, your knowledge, your IQ, your IP. All of those things have to be better. But in the expansion that happens in that magic, you can then touch way more lives. It gives you the ability to reach far more people in far less time and ironically make a whole heap more money and at the same time make it more affordable for coaches as well, for clients as well. You know, if you're doing one-on-one coaching, you have to charge a premium to make it worth your time. If you're doing a group-based program where you're facilitating the program with a variety of different mediums or mechanisms, it means you can charge less money because you've got scalability, which ultimately means you can reach more people's lives and make it more accessible. So the shift from being a coach to being a facilitator, okay, is a shift that will 10x your mindset, 10x your income, 10x your time that you get back personally, and 10x your ability to make a difference in people's lives as well. So here's the distinction. How can I stop selling coaching sessions and start moving to selling coaching programs? Because if I just do that one thing, that's the difference that makes a difference between a coach that's struggling and a coach that's thriving. A coach that barely makes enough money to survive and a coach that's rolling in cash. And the difference between a coach that makes a little bit of an impact in the world to a coach that changes the world. Good luck and God bless on the journey. Until I see you, live or online, be bold, have fun, go make an impact in the world, and I'll see you on the wild side.